Mga kaibigan, magandang umaga po. If you understand the commandments of Yahuwah, you are embracing the doctrine of life. Pagtulunan sa kinabuhi. Those who engage in action that please Him will receive the fruit of the tree of immortality. You will thrive like a tree that continues to grow and does not age. Biologically, you will appear younger while still accumulating chronological age. The most important thing is that we must make a decision today. With the strength and power of Aloha, we can overcome all health-destroying habits and adhere to the Creator's law for our lifestyle. The choice to live in harmony with the laws we were designed to follow is within you. And this is the power of choice that Aloha has bestowed upon the human race. This choice aligns with the principle of love. And now for more details, just comment below for pre-health and spiritual counseling. Shalom sila!